Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and switch off the ignition for 10 minutes before work to let electronics discharge and the bulb cool. Open the rear hatch and locate the side light housing near the tail, or access it from the wheel arch if your Juke has tight clearance. Wear gloves and safety glasses to prevent oil from skin touching the 12VW5W bulb and avoid burns or electrical shorts. Gather tools: 10mm socket, flat tool, new W5W12V5W bulb, and a clean lint-free cloth. Keep a small container for screws and clips so they don't get lost. To access the side light from the wheel arch, remove the wheel or turn the steering to give space. Use a 10mm socket to remove the inner splash guard bolts and 2 plastic clips. If you prefer hatch access, fold seats and remove small trim fasteners with a flat tool to reach the lamp from behind. Unclip the plastic splash guard gently with a flat tool and keep all clips in a tray to avoid losing them. Reach behind the housing, find the bulb holder. Push slightly and twist anticlockwise, then pull out the W5W bulb by gripping the base, not the glass, to avoid breakage. Handle the replacement bulb by the plastic base. Insert the new W5W12V5W bulb into the holder and align the tabs before twisting the holder clockwise until it locks securely. Reconnect the wiring harness firmly until you hear a click and ensure the rubber seal sits flush to keep moisture out. Then reattach the splash guard and fasten the 10mm bolts and plastic clips snugly, but do not over-tighten. Lower the wheel or restore trim, turn the ignition to the accessory position, and test the side light for brightness and correct position. Check for water ingress and replace seals if needed to maintain longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.